हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ सी अरविंद कुमार। मैंने डीसा भी किया हुआ है, आईसीआई का। तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि हमारा मेंटरिंग प्लस मॉक टेस्ट चलता है सीए सीएमए का। तो इसमें होता क्या, टारगेट देते हैं। और जो हमारा होता है फिजिकल प्लस ऑनलाइन। फिजिकल में सामने स्टूडेंट आएगा, फिर सामने सामने फेस टू फेस हम उससे पूछेंगे। और अगर आपका ऑनलाइन है, दिल्ली के बाहर के स्टूडेंट हैं, तो फिर उस केस में कैसे होगा। तो उस केस में जो व्हाट्सअप कॉल करते हैं या फिर जो है कॉल के थ्रू, आपका जो नॉर्मल कॉल होती है उसके थ्रू हम कॉल करते हैं, या फिर जूम मीटिंग के थ्रू हम उस पे रैंडम सवाल करते हैं। कहाँ से? टारगेट से जो हमने दिया था। और और हमारा कॉल कब जाता है, 1 या 2 दिन के अंदर टारगेट जो मैनेजेबल होता है वो टारगेट हम देते हैं, और फिर हम उसमें सवाल करते हैं, और फिर हम उसके हिसाब से जवाब के बेस पे जो जवाब देता है स्टूडेंट, हम उसके बेस पे गाइड करते हैं। प्रॉपर गाइडेंस होती है हमारे यहाँ। तो फिर मैंने जो है, एक मुंबई के स्टूडेंट हैं, उनको मैंने टारगेट मैंने दिया था। ये मैं टारगेट मैंने दिया था इनको, सीए फाइनल का ऑडिट है। तो मैंने जो टारगेट दिया था वो टारगेट दिया था पीएसयू और लाइबिलिटी ऑफ ऑडिटर। तो देखते हैं उन्होंने टारगेट कितना अचीव किया। इनमें से रैंडम सवाल करेंगे। चलिए फिर सवाल करते हैं इनसे। लाइव सवाल करते हैं। हेलो। हेलो। एम आई ऑडिबल? हेलो।
Yes, sir.
या
Yes, sir.
या टेल मी, राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन द डायरेक्शन बाय ट्रिब्यूनल इन केस ऑडिटर acted in a fraudulent manner. Tell me.
So, as per Section 140 of the Companies Act,
हाँ.
if uh, auditor has acted in a fraudulent manner,
Yeah.
then tribunal suo moto or by on application received from the central government
Yes.
or any person connected can
हाँ.
direct the auditor to be removed and uh,
नहीं, ऑडिटर
uh,
ऑडिटर टू बी रिमूव्ड फॉर व्हाट रीजन? फॉर व्हाट आर दोज रीजन?
if, if he has acted in a fraudulent manner
और colluded.
or polluted.
Okay, colluded in any fraud or abated. Okay, then
Within 15 days of the receipt of the application, the central government may uh,
what will happen if this is the case? Then what will happen?
convert approved in I think and under section 447 shall be
हाँ.
imposed.
हाँ.
Of
नहीं,
the
in this case there is two cases. Okay, let's suppose the application is made by any person connected. Okay, or suo moto. In that case, the tribunal will pass the order to direct the company to change its auditor. He will only direct.
yes, sir.
But but if this is the case, if the application is made by the central government, then in that case what will happen?
Within 15 days, the tribunal will order
15 days of the 15 days.
receipt of the
Receipt of application. Okay,
yes
what he will pass order.
for removal of such audit.
हाँ, for the removal of auditor, and the and in same time the central government may appoint another auditor in each place. Okay.
Yes.
And if what will happen if any firm or the individual what will happen if the final order is passed by the tribunal in this section?
The auditor shall not be appointed in any company for a period of 5 years. And
5 years from 5 years from which date?
from the removal of
No, from the date of passing of order. Okay, passing of order. Okay, passing of order. PSU. I wouldn't PSU chapter.
yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the areas of the proprietary audit. Tell me
Propriety audit. So,
areas of the proprietary audit.
yeah, the audit of PSU is not restricted to financial and compliance audit. Pertains to effectiveness, efficiency, economy, and effectiveness. Uh, propriety audit is the verification of the transaction on the test of public interest.
No, no, I'm
Uh,
not asking about the definition of proprietary audit. Okay, I'm just asking from you areas of
okay,
proprietary audit.
economy, efficiency, and effectiveness.
No,
We say the
under
minimize
section
cost.
143(1). Okay,
Sorry.
areas of proprietary audit under section 143(1). Now tell me.
Okay. Yeah. So the auditor has to make an inquiry in certain matter as per the provisions
Yes,
of the
yes, tell me.
section number 12, like whether the loans and advances have been taken by the company on the basis of security are properly secured, and whether the terms are prejudicial to the interest of the
Yes,
company. Then, in case of uh, whether the transactions represented merely by the book entries are prejudicial to the interest of the
uh-huh.
company. Then,
Okay,
whether the loans and deposits have been in invest in loans and advances have been shown as deposits, and whether the personal expenses of the director has been charged to revenue
to
account.
revenue account. Yes,
In case of a shares allotted in cash, whether the cash is actually received, and in
okay.
case of a company other than investment or banking company,
Mhm.
any asset has been sold at a price less than its market price
Less
at which
than
it was purchased.
that at which they were purchased by the company. This is correct. Okay, tell me the audit against the propriety seeks to ensure that the expenditure conforms to these uh, principles. Tell me what are those principles of the
Right.
proprietary.
Okay. So the expenditure should not be more than what occasion demands.
Yes,
Then the authority having sanctioning power should not use it for the benefit of particular person or section of the community. You know, it should not be public to its own advantage, and no avenue is kept open for indirectly benefit the managerial person or
Apart from the agreed remuneration or reward, no other avenue is kept open to indirectly benefit the management personnel or the employee or the other. Okay. These are the areas. Okay. Tell me the role of the CAG, CNAG in the audit of government company. Tell me.
CNHE appoints the first and subsequent auditor of the government.
Hmm. Tell me
Yes,
role of
so
CNAG in the audit
this
of government company.
Comptroller Auditor General of India
Hmm.
appoints the first and subsequent audit of the company and direct the auditor in the manner in which the audit of accounts shall be conducted.
Huh.
So the auditor has to submit the report to the CAP. And the actions taken, directions action taken by them, and its impact on the finance accounts and audit report of the company. So
Nee,
the
first of all, he will appoint the first auditor, okay, and the subsequent auditor.
subsequent
Okay, and direct that auditor uh,
the manner
the manner
in which
accounts of the
audit
government company are required to be audited. Okay, apart from that, the
within
CAG
60 days
shall within 60 days from the date of receipt of audit report
he shall
have a right
conduct a
to
supplement
conduct a supplementary audit. Okay,
or comment upon or
and
supplement such audit.
comment upon or supplement such audit report. Okay, this is the case. Okay, so let me ask one or two more questions. Uh, Tell me the definition of the government company. Definition of the government company.
The government company means a company in which at least 51% paid up share capital is held either by central government
हाँ
or state government or partly by state and central government.
हाँ
Uh, the subsidiary of the government company.
हाँ हाँ okay. And the auditor of such government company are chartered accountant, and those chartered accountant are appointed by the CAG. Okay,
Hello.
okay. Let me ask questions from the
Yes.
liability of auditor. Okay, tell me If
Hello.
okay, I hello. Okay, okay, I'm asking. Okay, tell me duties and responsibility of an auditor in case of material misstatement resulting from management fraud. Tell me. Tell me what are the duties and responsibility of an auditor in case of material misstatement resulting from management fraud. Tell me.
So, auditor has to report.
You don't have to go in detail, okay? Just tell me the crux or like that. Okay.
The auditor has to report as per provisions of section 143.12
Yeah.
along with car clause.
Clause. Clause is not required, okay? If suppose you don't remember the clause, na, it does it does not mandate that you should write the clause number, okay? Content is important, okay? Tell me the if you don't remember the clause number, na,
Yes, sir.
it's okay. But you have to write the the matters or the content which is given in that clause which you are going to explain. Okay, it's a clause 11, okay,
Yes, sir.
or paragraph 3 of Caro 2020. Okay, tell me what's written there.
So, the auditor has to report the nature and amount of fraud.
Whether any fraud by the company or
Or
any fraud on the company has been noticed or reported during the year. If yes, then you have to report the nature and the amount involved. Okay. Apart from that, SA 240 will be applicable.
SA 240.
SA 240. Moreover, you have to determine the professional and the legal responsibility applicable in the circumstances. Okay. You have to consider whether it is appropriate to withdraw from engagement. If the auditors withdraw, then what will happen? Discuss the appropriate level of management or those charged with governance. Apart from that, you have to determine okay, whether there is any professional or legal requirement to report the person or the person who made the appointment of auditor. Okay. Okay. Well, that's the last question. Tell me, state the nature of liability as provided in the Company Act 2013 for an auditor for not appropriately dealing with the misstatement appearing in audited financial statement or a false statement in audit report. Tell me. Tell me.
Report certificate or document any person statement which is false, knowing it to be in material particulars, knowing it to be false,
Okay.
or make statement which is false, omit the omit the
Omit.
material,
Material fact.
this the fact knowing it to be material shall be liable uh, liable for fine under section 447.
Huh. Okay. Imprisonment and also fine. Okay. Both will be applicable,
Yes.
and it will be treated as the criminal prosecution.
Prosecution.
Okay. I have asked few questions from you, and you have okay. Okay. Let me give you the another target. Okay. Have you done the management and the operational audit or internal audit?
No, sir. Just
Okay.
started to.
Okay. Just started. Okay. And after the management or the operational audit, you have to start the module 2. Okay. Module 2 of the ICAI study mat audit study mat. Chapter will be chapter 7, audit committee and the corporate governance,
Okay.
audit of NBFC. These are all small chapters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After that, complete it.
Sir,
Okay.
in SFM, I have to complete forex, derivatives, IRM, three
And
more
what about
chapters
the
are there.
theory in SFM subject? Have you completed all those theory which are required to be completed, like the startup finance, securitization, or the first chapter, financial?
Only risk management is pending.
It is pending.
Risk management chapter.
Risk management is pending.
Yes.
And what about the startup finance and the securitization?
Yeah. Done, sir. Securitization, startup finance, financial policy, security analysis, valuation.
Okay. Start with the what about the merger acquisition and corporate restructuring?
We are done, sir. Two
Corporate
chapters.
valuation, you have done that.
No, sir.
And what about the interest rate risk management?
No, sir. IRM, IFM, forex, derivative, these are pending.
Forex is important. Okay. First of all, do this IRRM. Okay. Interest rate risk management. After that, do the international financial management. After that, go for forex. Okay.
And derivative after
Derivative
that.
we will be in last chapter. Derivative will be the last chapter. Okay.
So,
It will be the last chapter.
so,
We will do it in the
so,
last. This
so
chapter is
portfolio,
portfolio.
portfolio,
Portfolio and derivative we will be going to do in last. Okay. We are, first of all you have to complete the other chapters. Okay. When you are going to take test, SFM test, tell me.
in coming, sir, after finishing these chapters, 349.
After 3 or 4 days, take the full test of SFM. Okay. Hmm. Okay, then inform me okay, within 1 or 2 days whenever you are done with those chapters which I have given you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then I will ask random question from you. Okay.
Bye.
Oh, yeah, bye. Bye. तो जो है, अगर आपको, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे मुंबई के थे ये, तो मैंने इनसे रैंडम सवाल कर रहा था, जो भी उन्होंने जो चैप्टर्स किया था, जो भी मैंने चैप्टर्स दिया था उसमें से। और जो है, अगर आपको भी हमारा लेना हो मेंटरिंग प्लस मॉक टेस्ट, तो आप हमारा ले सकते हैं। और इसमें जो है, हमें करना क्या है, तो इसमें होता क्या है कि हम जो है, इसमें से रैंडम सवाल करेंगे। आपका जो भी सी ए, सी एस, सी एम ए, चाहे कोई भी लेवल हो, तो हम आपको टारगेट देंगे। टारगेट जो देंगे उसमें से कुछ रैंडम सवाल करेंगे, उसके बेस पे जो भी आपका जवाब होगा उसके बेस पे हम आपको बताएंगे कैसे कैसे हमारा होता है। उसमें से आपका फिर मैं बताऊंगा कि क्या सही आंसर्स है, इस तरह से। और पास होने की गारंटी, चाहे सी ए, सी एस हो आपका या फिर सी एम ए हो, पास होने की 100% गारंटी, कोई हमारे यहाँ फेल नहीं होता। तो अगर आपको हमारा ज्वाइन करना हो, और मैं बता दूं आपका कि आपका रेगुलर इंटरवल पे आपका टेस्ट भी होगा, फुल टेस्ट, और वो टेस्ट होगा आपका ऑनलाइन चाहे ऑफलाइन। अगर ऑनलाइन है तो फिर जूम मीटिंग पे या फिर जो है कॉल पे आपकी चेकिंग होगी लाइव। और अगर आपका ऑफलाइन है तो फिर उस केस में सामने आओगे, फिजिकल टेस्ट होगा और फिर टेस्ट के बाद ही चेकिंग होगी आपके सामने। तो आप ज्वाइन करिए, और ज्वाइन करेंगे तो पक्का आपका रिजल्ट होगा। ठीक है, फिर बात करते हैं आपसे। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा आप लोग।